Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RTTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't even state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very crazy movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down there at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. To me, the very important level of support, and I'm going to go ahead and call it a must-hold level as far as the overall health of today's movement is concerned, is right there at 31 cents. Why is 31 cents such an important area of support? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but for explicit explanation's sake, let's say that the price actually does go down to 31, and then it gets there and then just continues on down. At that point in time, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would have the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it was before both of those breakout instances. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power. Whereas let's say the price comes down here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction, and that's what a truly strong move is going to do. A movement with genuine momentum, genuine power is going to progress forward, right? It's not going to go back to where it was. And again, quote unquote, back to where it was is being defined as down below that 31 cent mark. So that is why, for me at least, 31 cents, very, very important level of support. What about areas of resistance going forward? Key level of overall resistance seems to be right up here at the 42 cent mark. If you go back through the history of things, you can see right there a couple days ago was rejected, and then this morning was rejected right there again. So I'm not saying that 42 cents can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story that's being told to us here via the chart, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only break up above 42 cents, but then be able to stay up above it. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very, very nice movement today, and things were looking very bad, actually, on Tuesday. So nice recovery, and now it's a question of can the price build upon this recovery going forward? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.